Okay, thank you. And I love you. I love you too. Bye-bye. Who was that? I said I love her.
That was my mom.
Uh,
That was my mom.
that was your mom?
That was my mom, Ruth. Do you love her?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to call her back and tell her that you know who you are? Or call her back, tell her I told her who she is, who you were talking to, you really do love her. Okay?
What?
Tell her that you know who you were talking to, you really do love her.
Hello. Now I know who I was talking to. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, feeling okay. Thank you. Oh, thank you. She said for me to have a good day.
Okay.
Will we have a good day?
We're going to have a good day.